Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a cover like this for your Spotify playlist. First, create a new document. I find that 2000 by 2000 pixels works best for me. Now import any texture you like. The one I used and some others will be available for download in the description. Add a levels adjustment layer. Make sure you make it a clipping mask to the layer below by alt-clicking between the layers. Bring up a bit the middle and left sliders. Now we can add the text. Use any text or font that you want. I aligned the bottom and top text together and then I centered them in my document. Now duplicate the text we just made. Merge it together. Move the fill to 0% and add a stroke. You can copy my settings or use what works best for you. Convert the yellow stroke text to a smart object and then we can add the liquify effect. We transform it to a smart object so we can go back and modify it later if we want.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Import the price tag sticker that is in the description. Remove its background. Add a hue and saturation layer and don't forget to clip it to the layer below. Now we can add our smaller text, which I stretched a bit because why not? I added a sticker that I quickly made. I suggest you use your own logo or text. I copy and pasted it from Illustrator. Copy and paste the plastic texture and its levels layer onto the logo we just added. And create a clipping mask on the texture so it doesn't affect the entire composition. Change the blending mode to darker color and drop the opacity to around 50%.
Get the sauce, bitch.
Copy the plastic texture and its levels again and paste it on top of everything. Change the blending mode to difference and move the opacity to 50% again. If like me you have not saved your document yet, you should do it and then press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-S to save for web. Save it as a JPEG, but make sure the size of the file doesn't go over 2 MB because Spotify won't accept it. If it does, you can drop the quality or scale down the dimensions of the file. Now we're done with Photoshop. You can open Spotify and find the playlist you want to change the cover of. Click on the pencil icon. Then click on Choose Image and choose your cover art. Click Save and we're done. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment if you have trouble with any step. I'll try my best to help. Bye bye.